So let's go ahead and add our first product now. In the Products tab, click Add New. In the first field, you need to add the name of your product. For instance, red sneakers. Second field is a description field, and you need to add full description for your product. Go ahead and add a description to your products. I will just add some random words here in my product description. Once you added the description, select the product category from the Product Categories tab. In my case, that's a shoes. Scroll down to Product Data and just add the regular price, and if you want a sale price as well. In the second Inventory tab, if you wish to manage the stock, you can either enable stock management and WooCommerce will manage the stocks for you. In this case, I want to enable stock management and I want to say WooCommerce that I have 10 of these products. So once I sell all of the 10 products, the WooCommerce will simply show out of stock for this particular product. Other tabs are not relevant right now since I'm adding a simple product. Next, we're going to add a variable product. But first, let's upload the product image. So just click here and choose a main image for your product. So in my case, I would just like to add shoes like this, for instance. It really does not matter. And click Set Product Image once you're done. Besides main image, there is also Product Gallery, and click Add Gallery Image and choose images which you want to add. Click Add to Gallery once you're done. I now realize that I have wrote here red sneakers, and this will be a good practice to show you how you can even edit the title and also the link for your product by editing here. Let's edit it here now, navy and navy. Now that we added the product description, we added the price, we added the category, main image, gallery image, and we also put the stock. Let's now add a short product description. Let me just quickly show you the difference between the description here and the short description. As you can see, short description will appear here above the fold. So basically it will give the important product information right away, whereas the normal description we first added will appear below the fold, depending always on the theme you're using, but it should give a bit more in-depth information about the product you're selling. Let's now add a short description, and when you add a product short description, click Publish here. So just click Publish and you will see notification here that the product has been added. Let's now add one more product. For instance, LED sneakers. The process is the same. You can of course add the description. Let me add a product description. Again, we can add the price, $59.99. In the Inventory tab, I will not add the inventory for this product at all. But now, let's add the variable product. In the product data, choose a variable product. So just let me pause this a little bit. So we'll have the LED sneakers in different colors and different sizes. So I will show you how to add that everything in under one product so that your customers can easily find their color and their perfect size. So click on the variable product and go to Attributes. Under Attributes, just click Add. In the name field, let's add size and separate each and every value you add with the pipeline here. So it has to be a pipeline, otherwise it won't be loaded. So 7 pipeline, 8 pipeline 9, 10, 11, and that's perfect. Make sure to mark here Used for Variations and click Save Attributes. Let's now go ahead and add one more variation by clicking Add here. So let's add color. Mark Used for Variations, and let's add black pipeline, red pipeline, and white. Click Save Attributes. Now go to Variations. And in Variation field, select Create Variations from all the attributes and select Go. Make sure to confirm this if you get this warning. It depends on your browser. And now WooCommerce will automatically create 15 different types of products for us. You can see here, you can just click on it. And one thing to mention is that variation price needs to be set for each variation and everything else is optional. So Here, let's add variation price for the black shoe number 7, $49.99. And let's add the prices for all of the other variations. I will just speed this a little bit. You can also add the photo for each of these variations. So click Save Changes when you add the prices for all, for instance. You can do it one by one, or you can add price like this and then add photos. So expand once again, click on this, and let's add the black image. I will now find the black one from my list here and just select it. Choose set product image. So that's basically it. Now go ahead and play around with variations. You can add information and different weight and everything. Once you're done, make sure to click Save, but in Variation tab, just in case. So when you do that, just click Save in Variation tab, and then publish the product here. Now let's preview our product, see how it looks actually. So just click Preview. And there you have it. You now see that we have different size and colors. So customers can, and we also have a product description and this fantastic header bar which will show our product. So you also see that on our homepage we now have shops by category. So when you add a particular product to a category, that category will be featured on the homepage of our theme. When there is no category, category won't be featured. And you can see now that we have these products that we added. Let's go ahead and add a few more products. I'll now speed this process, but you know the drill. So repeat and add as many products as you'd like. Okay, when you add your final product, let's now preview our homepage. And as you can see, it now looks absolutely amazing. We have so many products. The storefront team will feature categories here for us, add products, display which products are for sale. Customers can sort them by popularity, but let's go ahead and change one thing here. As you can see on the homepage, we still have this generic title. So let's go ahead and change it. Just click Edit Page on the top, or click Edit this section on the side. Both do the same thing. Now add a description for your shop to welcome your visitors and tell them what your store is about. And below I'll add some little text about my own store. So we specialize in selling blah blah blah, dummy products, and that's it. When you're done with changes, make sure to click Update in order to save these changes. I will talk about customizing the appearance of our website in another video, but now when we're here on the homepage, I would like to show you two very quick tips to customize the store. Go to Site Identity here and choose Site Title. In my case, that's my store name, Butoshi. And in the tagline, you can see here, you can see that below the site title, you'll have the tagline, and I will just write imaginary online store selling fairy dust. So now that I added a tagline, I would like to add the site icon. Click Select Image, and I will show you in a minute where you can see the site icon. Your site icon should be 512 to 512. Choose, I will just now add the random icon, but you can add whichever you wish, or you can have your website logo in that size. Just select the image, crop to, and that's basically it. You'll see here how your website will look in a preview. That's amazing. You see that once we save the changes, your website visitors can distinguish your website a little bit better by viewing this site icon. That's it for now. I will see you in the next video when I will show how to add your own contact form, and after that we'll customize our store a little bit more.